Racing just is started. We have entry number 1, Green Grass. First to show quickness at the start. Mayor Bulaklak in second. Dels Prize, Wood Siribon. My Paho is special comes next. While High Earnings is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Green Grass, a solo leader, maintaining a 8 lengths lead. And in second is Mayor Bulaklak in Dels Pride alongside third, then followed over by My Paho is Special Wood Siribon, while High Earnings is still racing in less. And as they swing down the back, we have Green Grass by about 4 lengths. And in second now is Mayor Bulaklak in Dels Pride. And on the outside now is My Paho is Special. Wood Siribon comes next, while High Earnings is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Green Grass by a length and a half. Mayor Bulaklak in, moving up on the outside. Dels Pride, My Paho is Special. High Earnings, while Wood Siribon now racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Mayor Bulaklak in, now takes Kevin, dropping back in second is Green Grass. Dels Pride is on the outside. High Earnings is down on the inside. With about 150 meters more to run, we have Mayor Bulaklak in, this time by about 4 lengths, followed now by My Paho is Special. And finally, Mayor Bulaklak in, My Paho is Special. High Earnings, then comes Dels Pride.
Sabi sa inyo, bulaklakin eh.
Galing.
Bulaklakin.
Alright.